In the metal squadron today, taking a look at the April gold contract at the CME group, only up 13 basis points on the high today. A sharp sell-off for gold today, down 1.79% on its lows. 18.30 and 40 cents was the low print. We were up at about 1866.30, back above that 1850 level, staying above there very briefly before we fell. That 1866.30 was only up 13 basis points, as I mentioned, and we didn't really give that much back in terms of the downside in toward the close, finishing the day just under down 1.5%. Gold has its worst day since a 4% drop on January 21st, back down to the lower end of the range that we have been in since about January 11th. Dollar strength is one of the main reasons gold has had just a tremendous headwind. The dollar has been up 6 of the last 8 sessions, and it's up 2.32% since the low on January 6th. In case you ever watch currencies, the dollar on the whole, that's a very big move for the dollar in a very short period of time. By the reverse of that is the euro has been very weak. The pound has been very weak. The yen especially has taken a pretty big hit on the future side of things in terms of the currencies. But again, that inverse relationship between gold and the dollar providing a bit of a headwind for gold over the last few days. Now, I talk a lot about seasonals when I talk about metals. Seasonal trends are turning to neutral for gold. It's not like silver, which is in its strongest seasonal period right now. The annual trend in silver actually continues until about the end of February, beginning of March, and then just kind of moves sideways until it begins only a small downtrend in about June or July. Gold seasonal strength, however, ends in the second or third week of February, then goes neutral for about a week, then turns into a pretty weak period for gold in terms of the seasonals until we get to about June. So again, the gold seasonals are not going to be a tailwind for very much longer. So gold, if you're bullish gold, you want to see it get back above 1850 and stay there. Did not happen today. Finished down about 1.5%, well below that 1850 mark.